I studied LLB Law at LSBU, and my role now is soon to be the rough sleeping coordinator for the Hounslow Borough, for the London Borough of Hounslow. At the extended project event that LSBU held, we were informed that because we were partnered with OCN London, we would be eligible for a conditional offer to study a subject within law and social sciences. And I'd always wanted to study law, and I was initially going in as a nursing student. When I found out that I could actually study law, it changed everything for me, and I applied. You can only read so much from a book, but in real life, the books aren't going to give you the answers for everything. And to be able to put your knowledge into practice really embeds that in your being. So the one thing that I always say to my friends, my colleagues, and those who come after me is, what sets you aside from everyone else? Look to your left, look to your right. What makes you different from them? They have a first class, they have a first class, you have a first class. What makes you different? What else can you offer? What else can you bring to the table? You need to make yourself stand out.